This is a course that many CBT Nugget students have been waiting for, and it's finally arrived. In this course, we are going to really delve deep into the world of troubleshooting when it comes to the unified fabric technologies that we studied in a related CCNP data center course. So we'll delve into things like fiber channel over Ethernet and fabric path again, but this time with a slant on troubleshooting. Now, in a moment, I'm going to share with you my goals for you in this particular course. What goals are you going to be striving for? But let me just tell you quickly about my goals for this course. This course really is a continuation of an earlier course that we did, and that's DCUFI. You know, in DCUFI, we implemented Cisco's Unified Fabric Technologies. Well, I've had a lot of you rate the nuggets in DCUFI, and I scored a 4.8, almost a perfect 5 rating when it comes to those videos. So I've got a little room to improve, don't I? I've looked at your comments, I've looked at the ratings for DCUFI, and I'm going to address any concerns that students had in that particular course to ensure that this course is even superior to that one. Kind of funny to think about most of our competitors. A 4.8 rating on a course would probably be something that they would really think was awesome here at CBT Nuggets. That's unacceptable. Pretty funny. So here we are with the topics that you're going to master. CLI troubleshooting, graphical user interface troubleshooting. Of course, we're going to go after troubleshooting technologies that we got excited about in the implementation course of Unified Fabric Technologies. And notice you're going to really love some specific hardware platform troubleshooting techniques we're going to provide you. Now, your goal here is to master all of this from a real-world perspective so that when you're really in these unified fabric environments, you feel very comfortable troubleshooting. Now, I'll also have plenty of exam mastery. In fact, we'll have a nugget that's dedicated to exam mastery for those of you that might want to pursue certification and round out actually your CCNP data center certification with this particular course. Now, by the way, if you are interested in certification, one of the great tools that I have for you in the Nugget Lab files area is your DCUFT tracker. So notice for each of the topics that we're going to be studying together, you and I, you'll be able to come in and give your mastery rating. 1 means you've never heard of that particular technology before. Probably not going to happen in this class. 2 means you could give me an overview of troubleshooting fabric path. 3 means that you are really skilled at it. In fact, you could probably pass the written exam. 4 means that you could actually, have a fair degree of troubleshooting on actual equipment. And level 5 means that you would have absolutely no problem walking into even a environment that you did not design and troubleshooting that particular technology flawlessly. Now, something else that's really exciting about this course, it is going to feature multiple additional features, value adds that you're really going to enjoy. We're going to have power tips. Power tips are really tried and true time savers, perhaps, or advanced techniques that maybe Cisco hasn't even documented. We're going to have pop quizzes, which our students pursuing certification are really going to love, and also those mastering the content will enjoy because it really solidifies the learning process. And we'll also see tales from the trenches in various nuggets of this particular course, where we will document and describe real-world case study type scenarios in which troubleshooting of the unified fabric was absolutely critical. So I know, you're ready and raring to go. Enough about what we're going to experience. Let's experience. The first real content-rich nugget of this course has to do with command line interface troubleshooting tools that you are going to want to have right in your hip pocket. That's where we'll begin. I'm sure you're excited, like me, to begin this journey. I sure hope this nugget was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.